Still stuck doing manual tasks all day? What if I told you there are 5 completely free AI tools that will literally do your work for no experience needed? Let's dive in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up, ChatGPT. Whether you need essays, emails, code snippets, or brainstormed ideas, it's your 24/7 AI assistant. Just type your prompt, hit enter, and watch it generate polished content in seconds. And yes, the free version is powerful enough for most tasks. Why it helps? Saves hours writing from scratch, no setup or training needed. Tool number 2, Canva AI, Magic Design. Next, Canva's Magic Design. Want pro-looking visuals or social posts? Just drop in your text or upload a rough mock-up. Magic Design instantly creates a beautiful layout, all in Canva's free plan. Why it helps? 0 design skills required, ready to post visuals in under a minute. Tool number 3, Tome AI. Third is Tome AI, an AI-powered presentation maker. Give it a topic or outline, and it builds a full slide deck complete with images, layouts, and talking points. And yes, they have a free tier. Why it helps? Cuts presentation prep from hours to minutes, automatically sources relevant visuals. Tool number 4, Wordtune. Fourth, Wordtune. Paste any sentence. Wordtune suggests rewrites for clarity, tone, or brevity. Perfect for emails, reports, or social captions. The free version gives you plenty of suggestions to level up your writing instantly. Why it helps? Improves readability with one click, no more staring at blank pages. Tool number 5, Otter.ai. Finally, Otter.ai for transcription. Record meetings, interviews, or voice notes. Otter transcribes and highlights key points in real time. You get 300 free minutes per month, making it a no-brainer for students and professionals alike. Why it helps? Automates note-taking, searchable transcripts for quick reference. There you have it, 5 free AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments, hit like if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI hacks every week.